Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn Introduction to Turtle. What is Turtle and it will help in programming in Python. See, first we will see about the Turtle. Turtle graphics is a popular way for introducing programming to kids. Turtle graphics, what it will helpful for kids. See, kid may think logically he wants to draw a shape. How he will draw? Take a pencil or with the empty paper and he'll draw. If he is applying his thoughts in he wants to put in digitalization in a computer, he'll take a paint and he will draw the shapes. Perfectly, absolutely correct. He wants to create using programming in a logical way. How he will write? So Python along with the Turtle, he will be very easily create many wonders. See here. See, this is the Turtle and it will moves around the like a screen. How the coding is written, like a forward, backward, up, down. This way the more commands, like while writing the coding patterns, how he needs to move the Turtle. Accordingly, the Turtle will move around the screen and with the lines, where the line is required, where the line is not required. All the students who wants to create more shapes, he needs to think and he needs to draw the pictures. See, in example, very simple example, this star is created using Turtle diagram. So the Turtle graphics will help you to create many shapes. This is one of the example, creating star with the red lines and filled with yellow. See, a simple basic few lines of code here, like a code for star with colors. We are importing the library which is already available in Python. So color, red, yellow, begin fill, while true. It's also applied while loop, forwarding, left, and same thing. Like he is creating repeated lines, like using applying the loop statements and filling the colors and all. So many games and so many shapes he needs to prepare by applying his own mind. That will help, a vast help will give the Turtle programming language with the help of Python. So I'll see you at the course. Thank you.